I need a break. Definitely need a break after all that. That was kind of intense. Well, to recap everything we saw, we want to know the differences between absorption costing and variable costing, right? Really just having to do with what do you do with those fixed costs. Capitalizing and expensing, just gosh, like it just comes up all the time. I want you to understand the differences between job order and process costing. Not really any math involved there. Just understand when you would use each. Nothing crazy. There's a couple different methods of allocating those overhead costs, which we saw. Right, you've got your net realizable value, joint, split off. What are we going to do with each of those? Hopefully, my examples were pretty clear and concise as to what you're going to do. And lastly, our good old equivalent units of production. I, there's no words. There's absolutely no words. Just memorize the process, be able to answer questions with it, and you will do well. My pleasure to thank you for joining for us for our last lesson here at BEC. Let's wrap it up. I'm going to give nice summaries of the branch level and finish it out strong. All motivation and positive vibes sending your way. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.